In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up recurring tasks in Zoho projects. Recurring tasks are perfect for work that repeats on a schedule, like weekly status updates, monthly reports, or routine check-ins. Setting them up correctly helps your project stay consistent without needing to manually recreate the same task over and over. To begin, look at the left sidebar in Zoho Projects and click Projects. From there, select the specific project where you want the recurring task to live. This is important because recurrence settings apply within the context of the project you are working in, so make sure you are in the right place before moving forward. Next, go to the top navigation and click the Tasks tab. This takes you to the area where all tasks for this project are created, viewed, and managed. If your project has a lot of tasks, you may want to take a moment to confirm you are on the correct task list or view, but stay focused on getting to the task itself. Now you have two options. You can click the Add Task button to create a brand new task, or you can click an existing task name if you want to turn an already created task into a recurring one. Either approach works, so choose the one that matches your workflow. Once you are in the task details, or looking at the task row in the list, find and click Recurrence. This opens the recurrence settings where you define how often the task repeats. Take care here because the repeat pattern you choose will control how frequently new instances are generated. Select your repeat type based on your needs. Choose daily for tasks that happen every day, weekly for tasks that repeat on a weekly cadence, monthly for tasks that occur once a month, or yearly for annual reminders. Pick the simplest option that matches the real schedule, since a clear repeat type makes the task easier to manage later. After that, set the ending condition. You can choose End After if you want the recurrence to stop after a specific number of occurrences, or choose End By if you prefer to stop on a specific date. Once you have confirmed the repeat type and the end setting, click Set Recurrence to save everything. At this point, your task is configured to repeat automatically based on the schedule you selected. That covers everything you need to know.